Good morning everyone. I am G.K. Tigers from 7th standard, Panchayat Middle School, Yadamachi. Today I have come here to share few golden actions of Kamarajar. We all know today is Education Development Day. The birthday of Kamarajar is July 15, 1903 in Virudhunagar. He became the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1964 to 1963. Kamaraj is widely credited for transforming education in Tamil Nadu. He introduced free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years. He initiated midday meal scheme to fight hunger and encourage the school attendance. He built thousands of new schools, especially in rural areas. He introduced free uniforms to promote equality among students. Kamarajar was known as a kingmaker of Indian politics. He passed away on October 2, 1975, but his legacy continues to inspire millions. Thank you.